Hi YouTube.
Hi, YouTube friends and family. This is your boy GB Reviews. I know it's been a while. I've been really caught up with work and everything. I have a few videos that I have backlogged that I'm gonna uh, put up for you guys hopefully this week. But what I wanted to do is something really special today. I pre-ordered the new Apple iPhone XS Max. I'm gonna do an unboxing for you today. It'll be super quick, but I wanted to see what the package came like. I wanted to see what the packaging was like, and I'm also going to give you a little bit of kind of background on the journey that my phone took to get to me. So, with that, it's your boy GB Reviews. Let's get at it. All right, YouTube friends and family. So, this is the box it came in. Um, and what I wanted to tell you about this iPhone is that I did a pre-order, and I was wondering like where my phone is. And they send you tracking information right away, and immediately it says assembled in China. But on the tracking information, what I noticed is that it came directly from China. And so you might have read a lot of the articles that people talk about with the phone, but they are coming directly from China. Apple saved on the cost of the shipping and the boxing and stuff, and the tariffs if they ship it directly. So look, you saw that box that I had? Some taped in the box. Some taped in the box. This is my iPhone XS Max. So it comes brand new in the box. In this box, with some batteries on it that show, please be careful. It came UPS from China, directly from China. And it took me from pre-ordering. I pre-ordered before the release date, and it took me about a week to get it. So that wasn't too bad. So I got it a week faster. It initially said when I pre-ordered that I was going to get it October the 10th, and I got it almost 2.5 weeks early. So let's see what it looks like. And it actually comes packaged from the factory. It looks like it comes packaged from the factory, ready for it to actually, they put them out in the store. But they don't really put them out in the store because they don't last long. So anyway, this is the box. This is the box. As you can see from the box, it's pretty nondescript. It says, it shows you that you do have the new phone. I saw some boxes like this for the knockoff. The knockoff boxes, they didn't have this picture, but I'm assuming they now have this image on the knockoff boxes. But pretty nondescript. It doesn't say that it is an XS Max, but it does say 256 gig on here. And from the size of the box, I can tell what size it is. If you look at it, I have another phone. I actually have a 7 and plus, but this right here is the 7, or yeah, it's the 7S, or the 7, and you can see the difference in the size of the box. All right, so let's open it, see what do we get. The one thing I do like about Apple is Apple has premium packaging. This piece came off like super easy, so we're gonna get rid of that. Premium packaging, so we're opening it up. I'm gonna hopefully not drop the phone on the ground. And then you open it and it's that. So, designed in California. So, made in China, designed in California. Just remember that. All right. So, from there, that's the book, the box. Whoa, look at that. And there's my new phone. I'm not going to power it up because I'm not going to do anything with it yet. But this is my new phone. In the box, as people have been kind of talking about, you get one lightning cable. You get one set of wired headphones. And you get a plug that goes with the standard USB. Now, one of the things that you may know about this is this has wireless charging capability. So that means that if you want to do wireless charging, you need to buy a wireless charger because of the glass back. And you can do fast charging with this, but not with this cable. So you do need to do fast charging. You will need the Lightning to USB-C. This is USB-A, Lightning to USB-C. I think I actually have a Lightning to USB-C that my son gave me. And then these are wired headphones. I don't do anything with wired headphones. I normally give them to my other son because we never use them. We use wireless headphones. I know people are complaining about there's no headphone jack. I will do a better review of the actual phone later on, but I wanted to do a complete unboxing. This is the space gray, so you can see the back is actually gray. The front is completely black, even the edges are black, but the back is space gray. Oh, dang it, I turned it on. So look, but it's powered on, so it comes with the charge, ready to set up. I am not going to set this up right now. As you can see, look, oh, look at that. See how mirrored it is? You can see me. Look at that. Look at GB review and everything. Anyway, that's it for your boy GB Reviews. I wanted to do a quick video. I'm not going to do too much editing on this. But, hola. That's it. Your boy GB Reviews. iPhone X Max. I'll do a review of it in about a week. Actually, I may do a review of the setup. And I'm going to try to get back on my grind and get more videos up. But thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and like below. And this is your boy GB Review. I'm out.
Subscribe right below.